Alright, so you guys, I'll be doing a full tutorial on Drake and Chris Brown's song called No Guidance. It's in the key of C sharp minor. The song is only about 4 chords, you guys. It's very simple. I won't be naming off the chords. I'll be giving you guys the chords by each note. Alright, so let's get right into it. We always start off with the scale in C sharp minor, C sharp, E flat, E, F sharp, A flat, A, B, C sharp, C sharp, B, A flat, F sharp, E flat, and C sharp. All right. All right. So the first chord. That's the first chord, you guys. I always fatten it up. So I have A, E, and A, E, A. Right on the left hand, A, E, A. Right hand, B, C sharp, E, A. Right. Left hand, next chord, go to B. It's chord number 2, go to B. Same chord with the right hand as the first chord, but you add the B with the pinky. Right. So there you go. There you go. Same thing, same chord, just add the B on the pinky. Then you go to the next chord. Right. So it's C sharp. Then you just bounce to C sharp with the octaves, right? Alright. So that's C sharp on the bass, C sharp, octave, C sharp, A flat, B, E flat, and F sharp on the right hand. A flat, B, E flat, and F sharp on the right hand. Then the final chord, you guys, final chord. Right? This is A flat and E flat on the left hand. Alright? If you can't hit the E flat, just go to the A. But hey, I like to fatten things up, man, so you add that E flat on there. Alright, so then it's F sharp, B, and E flat. F sharp, B, E flat on the right hand. F sharp, B, E flat. Then you go right back to the main chord. So all I'm doing there is going up octaves, you guys. Just fatten it up, make it sound better, make the sound going good. So it's pretty much A flat, B, E flat, and F sharp. Same thing, same note all across the board. So all right, going up octaves. Then the final chord. But I'm gonna show you guys why the scales are so important. So the run I did in the video on Instagram, I did this run. Why do you think that's important? Because that's, you know, it's good to actually change the song up. Don't be hitting the same chords all the time. You know, just after a while it get boring when you become, you know, when you become repetitive on hitting the same chords all the time. So I like to change it up. I might add a little run in there. So that's nothing but the C sharp minor scale. Let me show you guys. Do that again, it's kind of messy. Okay, that run was same thing, C sharp minor scale. All right, okay, you guys. That's full tutorial. Thank you.